Here we fitted a Kenwood DMX9724XDS, which is a floating 10.1 inch stereo. I'm going to show you that in a second. And we did it in this Volkswagen Transporter T5, which has been converted as a camper van. So let's go around and actually have a look at the stereo itself. Well, as you can see, it's quite a large unit. It's a 10.1 inch screen, so it's got a nice big screen. And these transporters, the dash sits on a slant, while this, you could actually then basically tilt it to how you want to tilt it, and that avoids sun glare and what have you. So it's a really nice feature. So let's turn it on. Let's turn the volume down. So instantly it's picked up my phone. It's gone straight to CarPlay, which I already got it paired up. If we go back into the Kenwood menu, so if we go on there, that gives us the menu of wherever you want to go into. So if you're going to radio, if you're going to go into digital radio, Apple CarPlay and auto, depending on what your phone is, just telephone, you could do all that. This unit also has a capability for you to put an HDMI cable into it. It has an external USB as well. You could do wireless mirroring and an auxiliary in. It has 4 camera inputs, so it's really highly spec. The actual screen is HD. This is the latest variation of this 10.1 inch screen that they're doing. The actual body of it is a single DIN stereo, while the older version was double DIN, so a little bit limited in what vehicles you can install them in. But now, as they made it single DIN, it goes into most vehicles now, so that's no longer an issue. So it's quite easy to use. It's on the same as any other Kenwood platform. So if you go into Apple CarPlay, then you've got all the functionality of the Apple CarPlay. And it's just a nice big screen. So then if you just go into satellite navigation, as you can see, it's just got a really nice big screen to display all that. It has capability, like I said, for 4 cameras. This vehicle already had a reverse camera installed in this, so we basically attached it to that. So going to reverse, it's a camera that's already in there, but it works on that. Also, this vehicle doesn't come with any steering wheel controls, so to basically increase or decrease the volume, you have this nice big knob on the front here, and very easy to use. So if you're driving along, so simple, just to increase or decrease the volume, and that's quite unique with the Kenwood brand with their floating head unit. So that's the Kenwood DMX9724XDS that we installed in this Volkswagen Transporter T5.